what pathways are to be taken. Let's say, okay, somebody says you the recipe, you have to just solve UWorld, Pathoma, and blah blah blah. You just attend the classes, solve the MCQ modules, and you are done for that. But sometimes we are stuck in between. Let's say, for example, what if you are not scoring optimum and you feel sad about it? What if you are not able to take decision further? So those kind of obstacles are never addressed in our life. So I am greatly honored to be given this opportunity to discuss about like how mental health is very important for us. And foremost, very important thing about any life processes is about taking decisions. Okay, we are never taught this into medical school, we are never taught this into high school, that how you take decisions. And I feel that this is the most important part, be it USMLE, be it any other medical decision, or be it your life decision. As once you take the decision, okay, you took a decision, okay, I just want to pursue NEET, I just want to pursue USMLE, I just want to pursue pleb. Okay, whatever decision you have to take, okay, this is your life decision, because that's going to set up whatever you do in your future. Okay, and that decision is always yours.